What does this sign mean? A. Bus and cycle lane ahead on left. B. Tram lane on right. C. Contraflow bus lane ahead. D. With flow bus lane on the right. The correct answer is D. With flow bus lane on the right. 2. What should a driver do if another vehicle blocks their right-of-way at a junction? A. Be aggressive. B. Indicate and pull around the vehicle. C. Honk the horn and pass when safe to do so. D. Be patient. The correct answer is D. Be patient. What does this sign mean? A. Bus lane ahead on the right. B. With flow bus and cycle lane on left. C. Bus and cycle lane ahead on left. D. Be aware of the bus and cycle lane ahead. The correct answer is B. With flow bus and cycle lane on left. What does this sign mean? A. Series of dangerous bends ahead. B. Slippery stretch of road ahead. C. Sharp depression or dip ahead. D. Unprotected quay, canal, or river ahead. The correct answer is B. Slippery stretch of road ahead. What should a driver do when approaching a junction normally controlled by Traf-IC lights and the Traf-IC lights are not lighting? A. Ease off the accelerator. B. Treat the junction as an unmarked junction and proceed cautiously while watching out for other Traf-IC. C. Stop and wait until the way is clear. D. Increase speed to be sure to make it through the junction before other vehicles. The correct answer is B. Treat the junction as an unmarked junction and proceed cautiously while watching out for other Traf-IC. What does this sign mean? A. Near side lane of 2 closed. B. Near side lane of 3 closed. C. Traf-IC must cross over to the right-hand lane. D. Traf-IC must cross over to the right-hand lane. The correct answer is A. Near side lane of 2 closed. When preparing to stop, a driver notices the vehicle behind is towing a trailer. What should the driver do? A. Take the next available exit to avoid an accident. B. Indicate in good time and pull in gradually to allow the vehicle behind extra stopping distance. C. Ease off the accelerator, indicate, and turn as smoothly as possible. D. Check mirrors, increase speed, and turn sharply. The correct answer is B. Indicate in good time and pull in gradually to allow the vehicle behind extra stopping distance. What does this sign mean? A. Do not turn left. B. Yield for Traf-IC coming from the left. C. Proceed straight ahead. D. Only pass on the left. The correct answer is C. Proceed straight ahead. What should a driver do if there is black ice on the road? A. Avoid harsh braking, steering, and acceleration. B. Drive around it safely. C. Drive in a lower gear. D. Accelerate gently. The correct answer is A. Avoid harsh braking, steering, and acceleration. What must a driver be prepared for in this situation? A. Children are crossing ahead. B. Children in the vehicle's blind spots. C. One of the children could turn back to collect the ball from the roadway. D. A school on the road ahead. The correct answer is C. One of the children could turn back to collect the ball from the roadway. What should a driver do if dazzled by headlights reflecting in the rearview mirror of their car? A. Switch on the hazard warning lights. B. Signal to notify the other driver. C. Turn off all lights. D. Use the night driving mode on the mirror. The correct answer is D. Use the night driving mode on the mirror. When is parking permitted on a footpath? A. In the event of an emergency. B. If the driver has a permit. C. When foot traffic is slow. D. It is never permitted to park on a footpath. The correct answer is D. It is never permitted to park on a footpath. What is the maximum permissible speed for cars or motorcycles on motorways? A. 115 kilometers per hour. B. 100 kilometers per hour. C. 130 kilometers per hour. D. 120 kilometers per hour. The correct answer is D. 120 kilometers per hour. What should a driver be aware of when crossing tram lines at an angle? A. Be aware of oncoming traffic. B. Be aware that the surface may change suddenly. C. Be aware that engine output may increase. D. Be aware that tire grip is reduced on the lines. The correct answer is D. Be aware that tire grip is reduced on the lines. What do flashing amber arrows indicate? A. Drivers should stop immediately. B. Drivers should proceed in the direction indicated. C. Drivers should drive with caution. D. Drivers should slow down. The correct answer is B. Drivers should proceed in the direction indicated. What does this sign mean? A. Staggered crossroads ahead with roads of equal importance. B. Main road bears to the right. C. Crossroads ahead with roads of equal importance. D. T-junction ahead. The correct answer is A. Staggered crossroads ahead with roads of equal importance. What does this sign mean? A. Major road ahead. B. Crossroads with dual carriageway ahead. C. Staggered crossroads ahead with roads of equal importance. D. Main road bears to the right. The correct answer is B. Crossroads with dual carriageway ahead. Where are the blind spots on a truck for its driver that a driver in a car behind the truck needs to be aware of? A. The areas to the front, sides, and rear which the driver of the truck cannot see. B. The areas to both sides of the truck. C. The areas to the front of the truck. D. The areas to the rear of the truck. The correct answer is A. The areas to the front, sides, and rear which the driver of the truck cannot see. What should a driver be aware of in this situation? A. Pedestrians may leave the traffic island without paying attention. B. The oncoming traffic. C. The vehicle's blind spots. D. The tram lines may be slippery when wet. The correct answer is A. Pedestrians may leave the traffic island without paying attention. What does this sign mean when displayed on the approach to a motorway? A. Coin basket in this lane. B. Toll fare in this lane. C. Electronic toll in this lane. D. Cashier in this lane. The correct answer is A. Coin basket in this lane. What should the driver do in this situation? A. The driver should increase speed. B. The driver should allow other road users to proceed at first. C. The driver may cross at first with caution. D. The driver should stop. The correct answer is C. The driver may cross at first with caution. What does this Garda signal mean? A. Traffic approaching from the front may proceed. B. The Garda is beckoning on traffic approaching from either side. C. Stop if approaching from the front. D. Stop if approaching from behind. The correct answer is A. Traffic approaching from the front may proceed. What does this sign mean? A. Parking is prohibited. B. Clearway stopping or parking only during the times shown. C. Do not enter during the times shown. D. No U-turns during the times shown. The correct answer is A. Parking is prohibited. What should a driver who wishes to perform a U-turn do? A. Increase speed. B. Check the rear view mirror. C. Stop, look and listen. D. Check ahead and behind for approaching traffic. The correct answer is D. Check ahead and behind for approaching traffic. What does this sign mean? A. Traffic merging/diverging ahead. B. Dual carriageway ends. C. Major road ahead. D. Obstruction between lanes ahead. The correct answer is B. Dual carriageway ends. What does this sign mean? A. Yield to pedestrians. B. Switch on hazard warning lights. C. Pull to the far left. D. Stop your vehicle. The correct answer is D. Stop your vehicle. In wet weather, how might a driver judge what is a safe following distance from the vehicle in front? A. By allowing at least 3 seconds to elapse between the vehicle in front and the driver's own vehicle passing at a fixed point. B. By allowing at least 2 seconds to elapse between the vehicle in front and the driver's own vehicle passing at a fixed point. C. By allowing at least 4 seconds to elapse between the vehicle in front and the driver's own vehicle passing at a fixed point. D. By allowing at least 1 second to elapse between the vehicle in front and the driver's own vehicle passing at a fixed point. The correct answer is C. By allowing at least 4 seconds to elapse between the vehicle in front and the driver's own vehicle passing a fixed point. What does this sign mean? A. Automatic level crossing ahead. B. Sharp descent ahead. C. Series of dangerous bends ahead. D. Road divides ahead. The correct answer is B. Sharp descent ahead. When driving on a cobblestone road, why should you take extra care? A. It may be difficult to see road markings. B. The road surface is uneven and road grip varies. C. The road may be narrower. D. The road surface may be slippery. The correct answer is B. The road surface is uneven and road grip varies. What does this sign mean? A. Sharp ascent ahead. B. Uneven surface ahead. C. Loose chippings on road. D. Sharp depression or dip ahead. The correct answer is B. Uneven surface ahead. When approaching a junction where a pedestrian is crossing the road, what should a driver do? A. Drive around the pedestrian. B. Yield right-of-way to the pedestrian. C. Increase speed and honk to notify the pedestrian a vehicle is approaching. D. Switch to a lower gear. The correct answer is B. Yield right-of-way to the pedestrian. When a driver operates the indicator switch and hears a more rapid clicking noise than normal, what could this mean? A. An indicator bulb has blown. B. The fuel levels are low. C. The battery is low. D. This is normal. The correct answer is A. An indicator bulb has blown. What should a driver do on the approach to this situation? A. Be sure of the vehicle's height. B. Reduce speed and stop if necessary. C. Switch on hazard warning lights to warn other drivers. D. Increase speed. The correct answer is B. Reduce speed and stop if necessary. What do these signs together mean? A. End of roadworks. B. End of central reserve or obstruction. C. End of motorway. D. End of detour. The correct answer is D. End of detour. What does this sign mean? A. Slippery road ahead. B. Uneven surface ahead. C. Loose chippings on road. D. Series of dangerous bends ahead. The correct answer is A. Slippery road ahead. What is the normal stopping distance of a car or motorcycle traveling at 50 kilometers per hour on a wet road? A. 20 meters. B. 35 meters. C. 25 meters. D. 30 meters. The correct answer is B. 35 meters. What should a driver be conscious of in this situation? A. People crossing the street at the rear of the bus. B. People crossing the street at the front of the bus. C. The bus may be in the vehicle's blind spot. D. The bus may pull out suddenly. The correct answer is A. People crossing the street at the rear of the bus. When must drivers stop at a railway level crossing controlled by lights and barriers? A. When a train is visible. B. Stopping at a railway crossing is prohibited. C. At all times. D. When the red lights start to flash. The correct answer is D. When the red lights start to flash. What does this sign mean? A. Roadworks ahead. B. Road narrows on both sides. C. Flagman ahead. D. School children crossing ahead. The correct answer is C. Flagman ahead. What does this sign mean? A. Stop. B. Traffic signals ahead. C. Slow down. D. Proceed with caution. The correct answer is B. Traffic signals ahead.